So I joined the 7-Eleven Run PH today. Masaya siya. It was fun. And ang daming groceries and loots, goodies. Yeah. That's all. And yeah, I did finished. And enjoy the rest of the video. Just me taking videos of everything from running from the start. Yeah. That's all. And start pa ito guys, so hindi pa ito nag-start. Start pa lang yung assembly pa lang. So yeah.
Our winners for the 16th.
Uli pa lang po.
Walk. Pag hindi talaga kaya mag-walk, approach our medic team to help you out. Okay? 18, 17,
So yan, dito na part countdown na. Guys, seconds left para magsimulan ang 5K run. Go!
4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody have fun.
Now, nandito na ako sa 5K. Ano tawag dyan? Yung endpoint. Ano ba yan? Baliktad ang video. Sige lang, go.
24 point. Pwede naman natong idudod karon para mapicturean o kapit. Okay na? Para dito daw mapilong picture. I-effort mong utong pero di ka mo mapilong picture. So hello again everybody. We are now about to award our 10K. The results for the 5-kilometer male category. Third place, race bib number A.